Forest, Environment and Climate Change Minister Awangbaw Nyumai flags off one-day media campaign Save Nambul River. Appeals for public cooperation to save the river. Social Welfare Director Ngangom Uttam calls for concerted efforts to combat coronavirus pandemic by keeping aside religious, cultural and gender differences. Former Nauria Pakanglakpa Assembly Constituency MLA and NEIDP candidate in 2019 Lok Sabha election R.K. Anand joins BJP. BJP Manipur Pradesh President S. Dikendra says more likely to join. And India reports 19,148 new confirmed cases of COVID-19 in last 24 hours. Death toll reaches 17,834. Hello and welcome to Impact News. You're watching Primetime English News. I'm JOYSHREE with the top stories and latest news at this hour. Forest, Environment and Climate Change Minister Awangbaw Nyumai has called for public cooperation, especially from those residing along the Nambul riverbanks to save the river. He was speaking at the flagging off ceremony of one-day media campaign on boats titled Save Nambul River from Thong Nambonbi till Yanggoi Karong today. All Manipur Working Journalists Union AMJU along with Directorate of Environment and Climate Change organized the campaign. Minister Awangbaw Nyumai lamented that the Nambul River, a significant river of Manipur since time immemorial, has now become the most polluted river due to reckless human activities. Stating that the present government has initiated project to rejuvenate the river under National River Conservation Plan, he expressed hopes that the river will attract tourists in the near future. He also stressed on the need for preservation and conservation of nature's gift and appreciated the role of media for spreading wide awareness among the masses regarding environmental conservation in the state. Speaking about the prevailing COVID-19 outbreak in the state, Minister Awangbaw Nyumai said around 50,000 out of the 80,000 registered stranded persons from the state have returned, and he appeals for continuous support from public to avoid unwanted incidents and to work towards containing the COVID-19 pandemic, including the threat of community spread.
Hanai khoi pai pu singna tonga karamba sigumba waterway wena sizinaraba si manak phawal lakpa ngamdaba amot pana thanba khatne manam si khangma ngamdaba dugumba amot pan nala wena leramba si ngasi hi tonga chatpiya na ba sumana silakpa suruk yauri ba punamak pu ai congratulate tawning Chief Minister na thawai yauna Nambul Turensi sep tawdaba yade haibagi makhada Environment Climate Change gi Directorate pu Sinhale Harga project Semduna ngasi program Kiamarum National River Conservation Plan gi Makada ngasi di project su sanction su PBR Harga Pakhaputu su Hauduna Leriba Asida Department na Sarkar na Thawai yaw na Kiamarum Honorabusu Prazamayam gi cooperation yaudredi Sigi project sigi dream si ngasi su gumba ubu pangway habisi thamningi Prazamayam su ngasi di asigi importance environment safe tauba river safe tauba sigi wakhan na si yamna seriously lawbiraga turen gi mapanda leriba lekai miyam gi club miyam na cooperation piduna honna minari haiba taba kana yam nungaiba miyam busu thagat pu phondok chanikani.
Impact News reporter Ketrumiyum Premchan and camera person Chungkham Subhash took part in the campaign today. They came across garbages being dumped in the river, mostly in the urban areas. They also came across toilets and poultries being reared along the river banks.
Save Nambul River Haiba Team Masigi Makada All Manipur Working Journalists Union na Editors Guild Manipur Kusam Narakanda Kwegi Directorate of Environment and Climate Change Haiba Department Asigi Meeting Makada Pangthok Liva Assume Liva Campaign Asida Housing Fawuda Kwegi Nambul Turiengi Moruiba Kwegi Impal Manungi Murui mafam muiriba thongnam bonbidagina asum lakpana hauzik kogi loktak mapan yaugadore aduga haujuk faubada maruina urakpasingi manungda Imphal manung maruina urban area singda amorakai singasi aduki matik langthokpagi mami si sauntai aduga amaromda Imphal urban dagi kitang haidokhiba haibadi herangu thongdagi hendarakpa matamdana turengi mapan sing turen bet haibadi turen mapan sing si thenkalakpa aduga turen cheliba turen gi marak asi fiction bi mami ma chaung tarakli aduga hiang thangdagi khara hendagi matamdana amuk turelgi kogi magi pakpagi chang marak asi khara mu hengat lakanda magi turen mapan di adumak bet sing si thenkat lakanda ising asi akak nama mafam khara tada chen bagi oina mami chaung tari hariba mami sing asi takpadi urban area da leba miyamna pochai langthokpagi habit asi turenda uhelakpasina maram oirakanda turel asi motion bagi masak amu uhelakle masigi maru iba akoina khangin baya ba wafamdi hairiba hundukliba amora kai solid wasting asi lokta taba natragana turen gi tongan tongan mafam singda paisina lerakanda turen asi molan baya ba yamna chawna pollution thokpa yabagi otokpa ma leibana maram oirakanda ngasigi campaign asina Manipur gi miyamda turel gi kanaba amadi nambul turel kannabu honnabada achawu mating panglagani haibasidi achirpa thajabani aduga makhatana hariba ngasi campaign asigi akupa paudam makhatana pijage hojigi nodi paudum jari ba kogi camera person Sungkham Subhas Kalonena Kitimayum Premchan Impact News Imphal.
Former Nauria Pakhanglakpa constituency MLA and NEIDP candidate in 2019 Lok Sabha election R.K. Anand has joined BJP. President of BJP Manipur Pradesh S. Tikendra accorded a warm welcome to R.K. Anand at BJP office in Kanchipur today. It may be mentioned that Nauria Pakhanglakpa constituency MLA Soibam Subhas Chandra, who won the last state assembly election on BJP ticket, has recently resigned from the party membership and the MLA post before the recent Rajya Sabha election. Following acceptance of his resignation by the Speaker, political campaigning for by-election to elect a new MLA of the constituency is underway. Former candidates of the constituency who competed in earlier elections are even eyeing for BJP ticket for the upcoming by-election. It may also be mentioned that R.K. Anand is a former member of various political parties, including the Congress Party. Meanwhile, President of BJP Manipur Pradesh S. Tikendra has claimed that there are more political party leaders who will be joining BJP after R.K. Anand. He asserted that political leaders changing sides to BJP clearly shows that BJP is very much favored by the people. Speaking to media at the BJP office in Nite Park Chutek today, S. Tikendra also appreciated Prime Minister Narendra Modi for extending distribution of 5 kgs of rice and 1 kg dal to every Indian household till November under Pradhan Mantri Garib Kalyan Yojana. Around 80 crore people of India have benefited from the scheme so far. For Manipur, 21 lakh people of 5 lakh families have benefited from the scheme. The state BJP president assured that the BJP-led state government has initiated steps to avail the scheme to everyone. He warned that those who misappropriate benefits under the scheme will be punished.
प्रजागीदमक अवाब तार मतमस सरकार सिना अवाब दु कोंगनबु दउ पाइखलिबा फबा थौरांग अमनी हादना लौजबग लोनना बीजेपी स्टेट यूनिट की माइकैदकी आरिबा थौरांग सि सांगदोक्तिबगी तमकता कोइना प्राइम मिनिस्टर बु थागत फोंदोक्सरी आरिबा स्कीम असिगी मपुंग पाना पांथोकननबो होनबदा संगदब सेंफम असे करोड़ लाख अमग मखाइनी कोविड-19 पेंडेमिक सिना पेरिबा लाइचत सिना पेरिबा वाबसि कोहननब पाइखत स्कीम पुनमकी मनुंगदा पृथ्वी की ओइना ख्वाइदगी चावबा अदुगुंबा स्कीम अमनी आरके आनंद बीजेपी दंगसी यावरे हयें यावगनी हाइबा दि मथंगदा मागी थाजजबगी मतुंगिना अफबा नुमित अफबा पुंफम येंगरगा यावनबगी दमता मसिगी परेंग अमा लैरे मसिमक पार्टी से यामना पामनरकपगी चौबा खुदम अमनी
Social Welfare Director Ngangom Uttam has called for concerted efforts to combat coronavirus pandemic by keeping aside religious, cultural and gender differences. He was speaking at the one-day program on COVID-19 lockdown support on transgender community held under the initiative of Marup Loy Foundation, Lakshmi Narayan and Aryan Pasha at MMTA Hall in Minuthong today. Full Varsha Foundation Nam Mayoho Dan and Kinir Services Private Limited Delhi sponsored the program. The Social Welfare Director urged everyone to be aware of various preventive and precautionary measures to ward off COVID-19. He appeals to wash hands frequently, use hand sanitizers, face masks, and to maintain social and physical distancing to prevent the disease. Ngangumutam also lauded the program organizers. Food items were distributed to many transgenders at the event.
Prithvi Pumbagi Lanjao Mawena Lavanina, I quit quitting Maki Todang labor. Masidi, Sarkar Natogadovani, Langak Natogadovani, Adu Masidi Adugi Sansan, Duna Togadoni, Nairaga Labiatava. Aina Angamba Levelda, Aina, Pangbayava Migi Mating Pangba, Laina Sikarmaina Toka the Gahina Honaminava, the Masigi Maram the Kaminava, Section Minava, Aigi Angamba Mating do Pangnaraga, Hauzik Ladiva, COVID-19 se, Punalan Minasi.
Imphal West District Police today detained many people who fails to wear a face mask and maintain social distancing norms in public places amid the COVID-19 outbreak at different parts of the district. Police appealed to the public to follow government's guidelines and to step out of their homes only on permitted days. DC Churachandpur Pawan Yadav IAS has inaugurated the first of its kind in the district COVID-19 care center at Nilit building in Tuibong, Churachandpur today. The COVID-19 care center has 50-bed capacity and will be looked after by one medical officer, 2 nurses, 1 pharmacist and 1 peon. This center will be jointly supervised by CMO and Medical Superintendent Hospital Staff, Churachandpur. Speaking on the occasion, DC Pawan said the center will facilitate treatment of COVID-19 positive patients without referring them to Imphal. So far, sample of about 6,000 was collected, out of which 120 positive cases and about 70 are recovered and about 50 are active cases in the district. Reverend Dr. Nguljal Thang invoked a dedication prayer at the inaugural event attended by CMO, SP, MS, doctors, SDOs and line department officials. State government employees under National Rural Health Mission began their black badge protest from today. They carried out their duty wearing black badge in demand for regularization of their posts and to ensure them job security. Protesting employees have warned to launch a cease work strike from July 8 if the government fails to fulfill their demands within July 7. Superintending Engineer of Manipur Police Housing Corporation P. Brajendra has assured that efforts are on to complete the construction of Imphal Mall Road in Thangal Market by this October. Speaking to Impact News, P. Brajendra said Manipur Police Housing Corporation took the project worth around 6 crore 23 lakh rupees under Imphal Smart City Limited to renovate the Imphal city. He said that the revamped 260 meter stretch of the road will run from Bir Tikendrajit flyover bridge till Kasturi Junction in the northern side of the Thangal market. He added that iron sitting benches, large umbrellas and dustbins will be kept along the mall road for public convenience. Stating that no public vehicles will be permitted to ply on the mall road, P. Brajendra added that signals and decorative lights would be put up in the evening along the road and areas would be reserved for makeshift eateries.
Sagadoriba Mall Road Sina, Nagata Lady, but Dukansing the effect Toroi. Masi Imphal Smart City na ILFS Kolkatagi, Tanga, Piarama prepared Tormutunda, resourcing Jina working is in Zuna, Kanbiraga, Siki projects, Pakakadan. Tendo things in Lady Maramna, Daban Pai Shubayataba, Karle with the department tasing the Muna Hapkiva, electric wire, Makata Pungiva, the public healthy telephone. I may have music rider carried Legan, Tito Tichin Makoda Chia, it was in Tornita, but I'm crash with Tiangre, Howamatam, season Natana. COVID-19 number Amukazumu with the thing done. Jada Amal Lady, suspend the lady, 10 days, the Waximu resumed to Gudrana, could not expect to.
Thongrambi Salum Road of Paubak Chow in Mayang Imphal constituency has been repaired under the initiative of Mayang Imphal MLA, cum Deputy Speaker of Manipur Legislative Assembly, Kongkam Robindro. The immediate step was taken after Youth Development Association apprised the MLA about the deplorable condition of the road. Member of 14 Uchekon Nongchup Zilla Parishad Seram Niken today inaugurated a new RCC bridge constructed above the Kongman River in Kongman Zone 1. Construction of the bridge was funded under State Finance Commission Award 2019-20. Speaking on the occasion, Seram Niken appeals for public cooperation whilst initiating various welfare activities in 14 Uchekon Nongchup Zilla Parishad areas. A combined team of Kumbi Urban Development Committee and Kumbi Lomi Sinmi Apunba Loop has submitted a memorandum to Public Works Department, Bishnupur Division Executive Engineer, demanding repair of the Kumbi Saiton Mayailambi within 15 days. The combined team said a PWD Bishnupur Division Executive Engineer Khwairakpam Nungshibabu has assured of repairing the same at the earliest. Fair Price Shop agent of Naria Pakanglakpa Assembly Constituency M. Ranjit clarified that a proper quota of free rice under PMGKAY could not be provided to people of the constituency for the June month as MLA Local Area Development Fund was not sanctioned. Speaking to media at Hyangthang today, Ranjit refuted the allegations charged by an association named Campaign Committee for Democratic Rights Naria Pakanglakpa yesterday, stating that proper quota of rice under PMGKAY were not distributed to the people. Ranjit said that 2,788.96 quintal of rice is required for the constituency, out of which 1,895.31 quintal of rice were provided under PMGKAY and the remaining 892.65 quintal of rice has to be purchased under MLA Local Area Development Fund. He clarified that only 3.5 kg of rice per head could be distributed to the people as the MLA Local Area Development Fund was not sanctioned. He appealed to those who have not received their 3.5 kg of rice to contact the agents.
COVID-19 akoi pandemic asigi awana tarib asigi yengaga praja jingda kiji manga yenjarambani lupa kungani thui mangai piraga sarkar dagi leigadaba OMSS ki seng quintan Sanipa ngamong 3.65 se aikoina handaki oina MLA gi fund deposit tawningai leitabadagi tawbidabadagi toroktabadagi OMSS ki singji yaudna sumnagi PMGKAY hari basigi makhada phangba chengsi khatangmak na aikogi nauraya da leiriba chahi manga ek suraba mipum khudim thabak tawba tawdaba kat paiba paidaba thidana yenthokpa matamda aikoi keji magai khak yenjabani.
District Agriculture Officer U. Somendro has assured to provide necessary fertilizers to farmers of Bishnupur district. Speaking to media at District Agriculture Office Bishnupur, Somendro said that distribution of fertilizers to cover 21,015 hectares of paddy lands in the district started at District Agriculture Office since June 16. He said that out of 17,367 fertilizer bags for the district, 14,270 bags have been already distributed to 8,169 farmers and that 3,097 bags are currently in stock. He also said that efforts are underway to open subdivision-wise godowns to provide fertilizers to farmers. Fertilizers are being provided in 3 counters in Nambol, Bishnupur and Moirang.
June gi tang tarataruk tagi har sing asi bhaw leptana yenbagi thabak se khoi chathajarakli subdivision ahum simaki khoi counter amamam hangdok charaga mayam si chindana ba haiduna mai tawdana khoi subdivision khaidoga har si yenjai khoi Bishnupur district sida har watpagi phibam leite adum thajil lei adum khoi chapchana adum yeli hajik khoi gi stock leiri basi 3097 bags si khoi hajik stock ta leiri masi yenbagi thabak adum chathajaragi adum leptana su har se pirakhigani.
Patsoi MLA AK Mirabai has launched the 5th phase of tree plantation drive organized by Group Center CRPF Langjing. MLA AK Mirabai handed over 1,000 saplings to CRPF at Langjing Achauba today. CRPF IGP Randip Datta and DIGP I. Lokendra were present on the occasion. Speaking on the occasion, MLA Mirabai lauded CRPF for targeting to plant around 1 lakh saplings in Manipur and Nagaland to mark its upcoming raising day. She said such drive will greatly help in restoring the environment.
Lairiba aikoigi ecological imbalance oirakliba kaya singase masidagi ngakthoknaba amadi lamdam masida lairiba aikoigi urban area da laiba haiba tare hilly oiraba mafam singase anoba yamna innovative oiba mawongda matam matamgi hairang lairang hai singse thare haraga aikoigi lairiba hilgi masak ase anoba aikoigi masak ama hongnaba honarakpagi anoba aikoigi changjalakpa hariba district sigi manungda laiba tongan tongan ba mafam singdaju hariba plantation PP duna CRPF ki maikaidagi plantation pire haraga lairiba aikoigi hauji matamgi chunaba mongda semgot sagatnabagi damakta hariba aikoigi program ase paikhatchabani.
3-minute short film Nawa Shaidam, The Bird Song, directed by Manipuri filmmaker Lawrence Chandam, has bagged the Best Narrative Film Award at the Moment Invitational Film Festival 2020. The festival's 5th edition saw as many as 581 entries from around the world. The event is held in New York every year, and each year 15 finalists are invited to attend the event. However, this year, owing to the pandemic, the premiere was held online last Sunday evening. The film is an adaptation of A Blatant Lie, a short story by Dr. B.C. Rajkumar. Manipuri actor Manda Lema and debutant Kabrabam Shinhaiba played lead roles in the evocative and endearing film of a compassionate boy and his mother, who tries to shield him from learning that life is but transient. The film has also won the Outstanding Achievement Award at the Tagore International Film Festival, Shantiniketan, and was awarded winner by Kolkata International Cult Film Festival 2020. The film, produced by Imphal-based production company Fast Glass Cinematics and Media, was shot on a Samsung S9 Plus mobile phone. Nawa Shaidam, The Bird Song, is the first Manipuri film on Excerpt.tv, an American OTT streaming platform for independent films. Ten-day Wari Workshop Cum Festival held since June 23 at Regional Center for Cultural Heritage Hall in Yaripog, Imphal East District concluded today. All Manipur Wari Liba Association and Research Center in Kurai Swabamlekai organized the event under the sponsorship of Sangeet Natak Academy, New Delhi. Altogether, 10 storytellers from across the state, including one female, took part in the festival. Akom Loop Konglei Park held its 20th Foundation Day at Akom Loop's office in Lumphel today. Members of the association donated food items to children homes and old-age homes to mark the day. Assam Rifles, under the aegis of IGAR South Headquarters, has apprehended one drug dealer in possession of 1 kg of opium from TM Kasom in Ukhrul district. The arrested man is 45-year-old Tongrun Kongsai from Yaulen in Ukhrul district. The arrested person has been handed over to Litan police station for further investigations. Now it's time for a small commercial break. After the break, we bring you updates on coronavirus cases, national, international, and sports news. Keep watching Impact News. Welcome back after the break. You're watching Primetime English News. India has reported 19,148 new confirmed cases of COVID-19 in the last 24 hours. As per the Union Ministry of Health and Family Welfare, India's confirmed cases have reached 604,641, out of which 226,947 are active cases. Death toll has reached 17,834 and recoveries are nearing 360,000. Country's recovery rate stands at 59.51%. Maharashtra is on top with over 79,000 active cases. ICMR said that a total of 229,588 tests of coronavirus samples were conducted by various laboratories in the country in the last 24 hours. Globally, coronavirus has infected over 1 crore 8 lakh people. Over 5,19,000 people have died and recoveries are above 60,54,000 so far. 40,208 new cases were reported across the world today. USA is on top with over 14,84,000 active cases, and India is at 4th place in the world. There are above 4,600 active cases of COVID-19 in northeast states, including 681 active cases of Manipur in the last 24 hours. Assam's total confirmed COVID-19 cases have reached 8,955, out of which 3,109 are active cases. Nagaland's confirmed COVID-19 cases have reached 535, out of which 353 are active cases. Tripura's total confirmed cases have reached 1,402, out of which 307 are active cases. There are 48 active cases in Sikkim and 12 active cases of COVID-19 in Meghalaya. Arunachal Pradesh's confirmed COVID-19 cases have reached 195, out of which 128 are active cases. Mizoram's total confirmed cases have reached 160, out of which 37 are active cases. Human Resources Development Minister Ramesh Pokhriyal Nishank and Health Minister Dr. Harshvardhan today jointly launched Drug Discovery Hackathon through video conferencing. The ministers called upon students, academicians, researchers and professionals to participate in the hackathon and work towards developing drugs to tackle COVID-19. The hackathon is a joint initiative of the Council of Scientific and Industrial Research (CSIR) and All India Council for Technical Education (AICTE). Minister of State for Human Resources Development Sanjay S. Dhotre, AICTE Chairman Anil Sahasrabudhe and DG CSIR Dr. Shekhar Mande were present on the occasion. In Assam, nearly 15 lakh people are reeling under the fury of floods in 21 districts. Official sources said that 33 persons lost their lives in the rain-related incidents so far. The surging water caused damages to infrastructure facilities, including roads, embankments and culverts. Nearly 15,000 people have been shifted to relief camps. Floodwaters also submerged parts of national parks and wildlife sanctuaries. More than 126 miners are reported to be killed in a jade mine collapse in Pakant Township in Kachin state of northern Myanmar today. Dozens more are missing and unaccounted for till the reports last came in. In a Facebook post, the Myanmar Fire Services Department said 126 bodies have so far been recovered from the site. The death toll is likely to go up as further details emerge. The landslide occurred after heavy rainfall in the area. The place is about 950 kilometers north of Myanmar's biggest city, Yangon. The Pakant Jade mining site is the world's biggest jade mining center. President Vladimir Putin has won a resounding victory in his bid to stay in power until the middle of the next decade. Russians went to the polls yesterday to cast ballots in a nationwide referendum on constitutional amendments. The vote paves the way for Putin, who has ruled for 2 decades, to remain president of Russia until 2036. Russia's Central Election Commission released last night a preliminary tally of results as polls closed after processing 50% of ballots, saying 76.24% of the citizens who voted supported the amendments. The Cricket Association of Bengal, CAB, on Thursday announced that the iconic West Indies batsman Sir Everton Weeks will have a prominent place in its proposed museum. Weeks, who was the last of the famous West Indies trio, the three WS alongside Sir Clyde Walcott and Sir Frank Worrell, died aged 95 on Wednesday. Weeks during the historic West Indies tour of India in 1948 scored 5 consecutive hundreds, including 162 and 101 at the Eden Gardens, which is a part of cricketing folklore. Now, before we end, let's take a look at the headlines once again. Forest and Environment Minister Wangban Yumai flags off one-day media campaign Save Nambul River. Former Nauria Pakanglakpa Assembly Constituency MLA and NEIDP candidate in 2019 Lok Sabha election, R.K. Anand joins BJP. BJP Manipur Pradesh President S. Tikendra says more likely to join. Social Welfare Director Ngangom Uttam calls for concerted effort to combat coronavirus pandemic by keeping aside religious, cultural and gender differences. And India reports 19,148 new confirmed cases of COVID-19 in last 24 hours. Death toll reaches 17,834.